What's up, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior, and look at this. I have everything I need to complete my 110 big bore kit upgrade on my bike. So we have the board jugs right here, you know, so it just went up from 1700 cc's, which is actually 1654, and it went up to 1854. So I'm pretty excited about this. And then look at these beautiful high compression, oversized high compression pistons. So these right here are 10.25 101 oversized pistons. They're beautiful. And right here, these jugs, look how big they are, man. I mean, from the outside they look normal, but it's nicely bored out and everything. Those are some heavy fuckers, man. Then they sent me another set of gaskets. And then, of course, since I will be having a bigger displacement and everything, I made sure I'm gonna have the juice for it, which is my anti-gravity 16 cell lithium battery with 480 cold cranking amperes. That's a lot, and this thing is so light. I mean, it's crazy. You know, it looks cool. So this thing will be installed to make sure we have got enough juice. All right, so right now I got basically a so-called stage 4 kit, which is basically the cam kit from PR with the pistons and the exhaust and this. Oh, by the way, speaking of exhaust, so not only do I have a new battery right here in my big 110 big bore kit with the oversized pistons, but Mr. Rickey Graffeo is going to make me a handmade triple stepped stainless steel 2-in-1 exhaust for the Yamaha Warrior. And once I get that exhaust in, I'm going to tune the bike with the exhaust and all these modifications that you see right here, and we'll go have a little fun with the dyno guys. And yeah, hopefully we can break that 120 horsepower mark and the 130 plus pounds of torque. All right, so we will see. Right now we are at 110 horsepower to the rear wheel and 121 pounds of torque. So this will be really fun, man. I can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead tomorrow, so I'll start taking stuff off my bike, my top end, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Ride safe, don't forget, don't fucking die, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy GD Warrior.